This video here, I'm going to show you how to earn $377 per hour using Google Translate here, okay? And listen, this is for brand new people here. And listen, this is exactly what I did a couple of years ago when I was broke and busted. I'm going to be honest with you. You know, internet marketing took me, I'm a slow learner. I don't know about you, but it took me a long time to understand this game. And I used this with Google to make about $6,000 per month until I made the major money, okay? So listen, this is Wesley $1 billion Virgin. Sub to the channel if I give you value. If you like my voice, let's go. Or smash the like button on if you get massive value. I'm gonna be very transparent, quick. I'm gonna show you how to do it, what to do, and how to get paid quickly here, and how to start making money online. So you go here, very simple. Step number one, just type in Google Translate, okay? And I like to do this like an hour a day. That's all it takes. And it's something that many people are just unfamiliar with. In 2022, this is just something I give to a lot of new students that pay me a ton of money. And I thought I would just give it to you for free. So with Google Translate here, you can basically translate any language. Like I love Wes, right? You could translate that to Albanian here, right? Or you can say, I like Wes, right? See that? Or you can say, Wes is the man, right? But what you're seeing here, you can translate anything, right? You don't have to know the language. You don't have to be like a person that knows 5 languages. I know one, that's it. English, and I know a little Spanglish. Uno, dos, tres, mi amor. That's about it. So let me show you what sites that you can use this tool, Google Translate, to earn about $377 a day, every day. That's about almost $10,000 per month. How many of you, that's what you're looking to make? And listen, smash the like button because it's worldwide. It's all over the world. It doesn't matter where you are. Everybody gets approved, and it's simple. And here's the first site right here. It is called Gmr Transcription.com. This is what I use. I actually pay people on this site here, right, to do a lot of translations for me for my Spanish channel. And I could have been paying you. And these people are not Spanish, right? It's just they're using the Google Translate tool to do it. And I'm paying them about a couple of $1,000s per month. And they're like in their 20s. I got single moms work for me. So listen, you can do this too. So it's very simple. If you go to rates here and you scroll down, what you want to do is click on where it says Spanish audio translation, because they're going to pay the most money, right? You want to make a lot of money, smash the like if you want to make a lot of money, not a little money. So you go here, and as you see here, they pay $5 per minute. So listen, with an hour of work, 1 hour of work, that's about $300, right? Just 1 hour of work is 5 times 60. If I did my math right, it's like $300 per day. I mean, just an hour work. It's up to you. It's per minute. So listen, if you work more minutes, you get paid more money here. And all you do is you take the information here. When you basically register as a client, anybody can get accepted. Very simple here. And you go here and you just translate exactly what they want you to do in any language. And what I said, it was popular Spanish right now. So you see that? Like this video here, and you just copy and paste it, and you just upload it to the site. And these people are gonna pay you, as you can see here. That's $300 if you work an hour. 2 hours is $600. That's $12,000 a month, and it's legit. It's real. Many people have been using this for years. I know people work at home, moms, dads. I mean, it's a lot of people use this part. I have a buddy right now on part-time. He does this, and he does $10,000 a month just from this site alone. They pay him. So go sign up right now. The next site is GoTranscript.com. Okay, that's GoTranscript.com. And like I said, it's a translation transcription service basically that you can apply right now. But let me show you the money here. Look. Here are the pricing here, the cost estimates here. And like I said, what I like to do is the translation services, because they're going to pay the most money, right? You can pay $8 per minute, and within 72 hours, you get a paycheck. Yeah, imagine, think about it. Imagine working 8 hours, or I mean, even 1 hour, right? At $8 per minute, and basically getting paid $480, right? In 1 hour of work, and every 3 days they're gonna pay you out. And all you're doing is using the Google tool, here on Translate. Smash the like button if you know you can do this. I mean, you can really do this. Is so simple, but you got to take massive action. You just can't sit there and watch this video and do nothing. You have to actually try it, right? And it's so simple. You just go in here and you just sign up. It simply says sign up. You sign up. You put off your information. Like I said, it's worldwide. Anybody can do this. Do it right now. Now listen, it's just that easy. But I know some of you might say, well, is it an easy way? Listen, there's always an easy way to get it done once you have the knowledge here. And they have a software now that will do all this for you, so you don't have to go through this long, arduous process. And I'm going to show you right now. As a matter of fact, in my link under the description below, and then link in the description here, it's called Translate to Profit. And it is a software that legitimately pays you $47 to $67 per hour. Listen, some people make a little less, some people make a little bit more. It's up to you. It's up to your perseverance. If you just get started, the software does it for you. No lie, it's killing it. This is software automation, and I have a link right under this video in the description below if you want it. And the great thing about it, it is super inexpensive for the first 10 people to get involved. I did a deal with this guy. I said, please, you got the software right here. He's not an American. I said, can you just do something cool for my fans, for my subs? They love me so much and they want me to give them more value. Can you do it for an inexpensive price? He said, yes. First 10 people can have it right now for $17. That's it. The link is in the description below. I recommend to go get it now. It's up to you if you want to go through the process. But listen, it's easy. And listen, you got to take massive action. So go ahead and grab it. It's only the first 10 people, and you'll start making money, baby. This is Wesley $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go. Later, folks. See you on the other side.